If you want to remove at a glance or the clock widget that you may have in the home screen on Google Pixel 9a, then unfortunately it is not possible to do so unless you actually change the launcher. For example, you may try to press and hold your finger on the at a glance and go to customize, and of course here we can go to settings in order to turn it off, but ultimately you still have the date. So there is nothing we can do about it. And in order to get rid of it, like I said, we need to have another launcher. We need to switch the launcher. So in that case, we can go to the Play Store and you can search for launcher. There are multiple different launchers that you can install and use on your phone. However, I think one of the best ones is actually the Microsoft launcher. It is completely free and I believe it is ad-free as well. So I'm gonna install this one and I'm gonna show you how to set it up so that you can actually get rid of this widget completely. So let's open it, press get started. We don't have to agree to location, but you can agree to notifications and access to files. Over here we need to grant access to all files, so let's go to settings, choose the Microsoft launcher and allow the access. Over here you can stick with the current wallpaper or you can change your wallpaper daily by using Bing. I'm gonna stick with the current wallpaper and press continue. You don't have to sign into Microsoft and you don't have to agree to help them improve the launcher. You can just press not now. Wait a couple of seconds and we should be ready to go. There we go. Let's press let's go. Now we have the option to set this launcher as the default launcher so that you actually don't go back to the default Pixel launcher. So we can press set as default and switch to the Microsoft launcher. Of course, you can do that later if you don't want to do that immediately. And now here is our new home screen. So this is how the home screen looks like once you change the launcher, and the app drawer is changed as well. And in this case, as you can see, we also have the time and date, but we can press and hold and just simply remove the widget. The same goes with the search bar that we have over here. If you don't want anything, you can just remove it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!